Hello guys, welcome to my channel Bina Blog Creation F4 and let's start today wonderful video. So please keep watching this full video and you will be enjoy today's wonderful video. Let's start this video. You can see, let's go and start this fresh morning. Yes guys, today is being Sunday and you can see right now, okay, Sunday is being the morning time and you can see it's been raining, okay. So the relaxation rain sound you will get during the fresh weekend of morning. Yes, here it's being so heavy rain is being going on, okay. Yes, you can see right now so beautiful rain. Yes, weather is being very cloudy weather, okay. Yes, there is being a cloudy weather and the trees are being dancing right now over here. Yes, it's been cloudy and it's been raining. I think so today full day it will be full rain, okay. So stay tuned in these videos and it's been very amazing. You can you can enjoy the raindrop sound with the relaxation. So rain is being very nice today to see the morning view, the clouds, it's being very nice. Yes, so let's when we go out we take out an umbrella and enjoy the vibes of the rain in the Sunday weekend of morning. That's being very nice, that's being very nice. So enjoy the vibes of the morning. Good morning to all of you. You can see so beautiful rain is been going on and it's been speedily heavy rain, okay. So stay safe in rain. When you go out, take an umbrellas and it's been beautiful view to see the rain drops coming way. Wow, it's been so beautiful. Yes, it's been the Sunday morning, okay, today on the first morning. I hope you will be enjoy this video and share hypes. Yes, give your love and it's been a very relaxation to see the morning view and it's been very nice. You can, I hope so you will like the videos, enjoy and stay tuned in the full video. Yes, the morning relaxation and the clouds, beautiful clouds, the beautiful trees. Yes, we are surrounding the nature vibes of the Sunday morning, rainy morning today. Yes, in the first weekend of the Sunday. It's being on August 3rd. Today is being a Sunday. So enjoy the rain of vibes and stay tuned in this full video and you can enjoy the relaxations. You can enjoy the weather. Yes, it's being a totally amazing. Yes, you can see the clouds, see the dark clouds, see the sky. Yes, it's been raining. Yes, you can around in the nature, enjoy the vibes of the rain nature in this morning. So stay tuned in and see the beautiful raindrops. So rain is being very necessary to us. Yes, so the weather is being very cool and it's being nice. Yes, I'm enjoying the rain and with me you also enjoy the rain. Stay tuned in the video.